Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you all fine and good. If you are new here, so please subscribe my YouTube channel or press the bell icon for more videos. Today my topic is understanding insurance in the US explained for international students. Why do you need insurance? The United States is the most expensive country in the world for health insurance. Americans spend 9,829 per capita on health care in 2016, the highest average in the world. International students should always have a health insurance plan while in the USA, and here is why. Real example of cost in the US: applications, appendix or featured humors, fractured claves, car crash, serious illness. So now we can scroll down and see their falls. I do not need insurance because I was not get sick. Falls, accidents and illness can happen at any time. There is no way to predict when they will happen, and without insurance you are liable for the total cost of your medical bill, which could be thousands of dollars. Falls insurance is meant by the protect of against future unforeseen events, and many plans will not cover a condition you had before your plan started. You call this is a pre-exciting condition. Some plans will make you wait a certain numbers of months because it's covered. Other plan was not covered that condition. To all falls on two plans are the same. While you may want the cheapest option, all health plans are the same, so I just need the cheapest plan. Be sure to see it cover. So if it cover everything you need like sport, maternity, mental health, etc. You may also see a difference in the customer service and claims processing. So it's very important to evaluate the company and benefits. Are you required to have insurance? Health insurance is regulated on a state level, and while certain rules may apply to US citizens, international students are typically responsible for carrying insurance based on the Department of State and their schools requirements. Visa requirements: the Department of State requires J visa holders to have health insurance that meets certain, and your school may add additional requirements to this. So as well, F&M visa, there are no federal requirements, but your schools may require you to have insurance. Have you heard about the Affordable Care Act? And you're curious. So see how that apply international students and scholars. Read our articles on the impact of ACA on international student. School insurance requirements: check with your school as they may mandate a plan for required certain benefits. Enroll you in a group plan, allow you to purchase the plan of your choice. These things to consider when choosing your health insurance. Find out what your school requires. Ask your school if you can purchase your own plans and what benefits if school include. Think about your unique medical needs. Think about and benefits you need to know, need you need on your plan, and read the policy wording, especially the plans exclusions. Check to say where you can get medical treatment. Find out which doctor, clinics and hospitals work with your insurance policy. Understand what you need to pay. Know that out of pocket expenses you will need to pay when seeking medical treatments. Find out how to claims process work. Ask the insurance company how to find how to file a claim and how long the claim process take. Don't get stuck along the way. Learn your insurance terms. Deductible: what you pay to the doctor paid once per year or per condition. Copy what you pay the doctor of each visit, usually instead of a deductible. insurance. After your deductible copy, you will pay a percentage of the bill. When to learn more, read throughout our insurance term and find out and how to evaluate an insurance plan. Purchase your plan, prepare ahead. Change your plan and the ensure to be being coverage as soon as you depart your home country. Take a copy of your ID card in case you need medical assistance. Check out the article on buying an insurance plan and some top 10 tips. You can see need assistance or call to apply your email. You can also follow us there on different social media links, which is Facebook, Twitter, Insta, YouTube, TikTok, or Wi-Fi. So we can click on their sidebar, which is student health, travel, medical, major medical, school requirements, insurance explains, student health. We can see overview. You can see student health insurance, need insurance while studying. So you can see student secure plan provides international student health, international student insurance. We're gonna click on back. Now we can also read the student health insurance. First of all, we can click on back. This is the other topic. We can read international student insurance. So understand insurance in the USA for international student insurance. So we can write on. See this: the United States is the most expensive country in the world for healthcare. Americans spend $9 highest average in the world. USA and where is why. Real example of cost in the USA is a pending 60,000 or $493. You can scroll down. No nationalized healthcare, no universal healthcare. You need insurance or you will be stuck with the bill. Health insurance pay for medical expenses related to a covered illness or injury. Uncover the myth about insurance. I can just buy insured when I need it. So I hope you all like my video. If you all like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel or press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.